ना सिर पे, दैट मीन्स आपको कभी भी ग्रुप में ऐड नहीं करेंगे. फटाफट स्कार्फ पहन लो and sit in the prayer position. I am going to do the prayer today. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Good morning once again, girls. I hope you are wearing the mask now. Sorry, not mask, scarf. Scarf is
Yes, sir.
compulsory.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Those who are wearing scarf, they will type the message, yes, I am wearing scarf. Just this much you have to type, yes, I am wearing scarf. Quickly, each and every girl has to type this after wearing it. And girls, make sure when I ask you to turn on the camera, you have to sit in the proper position. No other person should be there in your background. That means if you sit with the background wall, that's good. Okay, so we are going to have one-to-one interaction today. Today, it is a kind of Viva test. I and you will be talking live by turning on the camera because I will ask you the questions regarding the lesson we have completed. So only when I call your name out, you have to turn on the camera and you have to answer. Otherwise, you don't have to touch the camera. Okay, I have turned on the camera. Now, I will call out the name one by one. Only that particular student will turn on the camera. No other student will touch the camera. They will just listen to what type of questions I am asking to their friends. So you have to sit like this, wearing proper clothes, wearing scarf, sitting properly at one place. Nothing should be there in background. It should be wall. I will just I hope you can see me properly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start the question answers. Not actually the question answers which are given in the book, just the small questions I will ask you regarding the lesson. So first, I would like to ask the question. Um, yes, Muskan, turn on the camera and see that I can see your face clearly when you're answering.
Okay, sir.
Okay, here is Muskan. Muskan, your first question from the lesson is, what is the name of the first lesson?
My first roller coaster.
What is the spelling of roller coaster?
ROLLER. Roller. COASTER. Coaster. Roller coaster.
Roller coaster. Okay. And give me the idea of the story in one line. Only one
Nar-
line.
okay. Narrator goes to Disneyland.
Finish.
No, no.
Full
And
idea. Full idea in one line.
and she saw the ride California screaming.
You cannot make such a big sentence. It should be only of one line. Okay. So in the last question you fail. So I will stop the question answer round. You should say one girl. You should say one girl comes out of the comfort zone and teaches how to be brave. This was the one line idea. Okay,
Sorry, sir.
no problem. Next question I would like to ask to Mira Arfa. Mira Arfa, please turn on the camera and be ready to answer. Okay, here is Mira Arfa. So Mira Arfa, your question is, what was the age of narrator?
11 years.
Okay, now second question is, what was the place where they visited?
Disneyland.
Disneyland. Okay. And the third question is, why was narrator afraid of California screaming?
That's why the California ceiling is so high.
That is the only reason.
What, sir?
That is the only reason.
Yes, sir. I don't know that.
Okay. In the last question, again you fail. Narrator was afraid because it was high. Not only that, but also the California screaming went upside down. So for these reasons, she was afraid. Okay, thank you for answering. Next, I would like to select the name Kulsum.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Kulsum, where is she? Keep the camera away from the face. No problem. So Kulsum, your question is, what is the spelling of California screaming?
Yes, sir.
What is the spelling of California screaming?
TELEPH.
Wrong. Wrong.
Tele.
Wrong, Kulsum, wrong. Okay, mute your mic and turn off the camera. Next, I would like to ask, who is this? Okay, let me read the chat box. Who is ready? Uh, Turn off the mic. Okay, Muskan Raujani.
Yes, sir.
I think I already asked. Sorry. Next. Alisha Musani.
Yes, sir.
We cannot see you. Where are you? We cannot see your face, Alisha. Come on, time is running.
Yes, sir.
Still, it is not clear. No problem. Your question is, how many family members were there with narrator? How many family members were there with narrator? Okay, mute your mic and turn off the camera. Next question to Multani Misda.
Yes, sir.
What?
Okay. Now your question is, how many family members were there with narrator?
There was 4 family members with narrator.
With narrator, no. With narrator, there were 3 family members. Total, there were 4.
Huh.
You have to understand. Okay, no problem. Tell me which family members were there.
Her mother, her father, and her brother. And narrator.
Mother, father. Okay. And the last question. What was she afraid of most?
She afraid from roller coaster. From
We know,
ride.
but from
From ride.
we know she was
Telephone.
afraid. We know that she was afraid of ride, but in that, which point made her frightened the most?
Because California stream is very big and very high and very dangerous.
I said which point, so you should say when it went upside down, she was most afraid. No problem. Thank you for answering. Mute the mic and turn off the camera. Next question I would like to ask Zoha Kadri.
Yes, sir.
Here is Zoha. Okay. Zoha, your question is, what did narrator give to her father? When she was going to California screaming. I don't want you to fail within first question itself.
Sir, actually, I was not attending classes, so I just read the chapter.
You read the chapter, but there is clearly written, even if you have read. There are two lines regarding this, what am I asking? And it is at the point where no one will forget what she handed over to her father before climbing to California screaming with her mother. Okay, I'll give you the hint. Okay, only one hint. We wear that to protect our eyes and head from sun.
Cap.
Second version of cap. Cap is when it is only covered from the front portion. But if it is covered from round, I'll count 3. 1, 2, 2.5, 2:45. 3 may come. Come on, 3. She handed over hat so that it does not fall down. If such students will not answer such silly questions, how will it work? Okay, second question. And the last one, because you did not answer, I cannot ask you 3 questions. The rules are same. So next question is, let me see the book. Yes, how can I forget this? When she was afraid of California screaming, she was trying to go away from that ride, and then she planned to stay and play where? In my house.
She tried to
Walk
play.
towards where? Shishuvia. Come on, answer fast. I'm writing the points. Zoha, this is not fair. I cannot expect you not answering even a single question. Whatever the reason might be, you could have watched the explanation video lecture afterwards at least.
Sir,
Okay,
in
now
video,
your
sir,
punishment. No, hold on. Now your punishment is to watch the video lecture of explanation. There are 2 parts because I have explained it within 2 days. You have to watch it carefully. You have to remember the full story. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay. The next question here I would like to ask to, let me see the name. Iman Fatima.
Yes, sir.
Where are you? Okay, Iman Fatima, your question is, what is the spelling of frightening? What is the spelling of frightening? Frightening.
FRIGHTNING.
I cannot hear properly. Anyways, second question. Why did narrator shouted when she was sitting in the California screaming?
because it's too high and it's upside and down.
When the ride was at the top and when it was falling one by one down, at that time everyone shouted with the thrill, so narrator also shouted. Okay, no problem. Good answers. Turn off the camera and mic. The next question will be to Zoher Raujani. Zoher Raujani. Yes, where are you? Okay, we will count absent. Next name, Firoz Malkani. Firoz Malkani. She left. Okay, next question to Siddharth Dania.
Yes, sir.
Where are you?
Where are you?
Yes, beta. In the beginning, I asked you to wear the scarf and turn on the camera when I ask the question.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Kulsum.
What happened in your hand?
Oh, in my hand, uh, my scooter got slipped because of the, rainy and muddy roads,
Yes.
and the cow were running towards me, and I tried to turn the vehicle, but it got slipped because of the muddy road, and my vehicle fully came on my hand.
Oh my
Okay.
God.
And for at least 10 feet, I was scrawled on the road.
Oh,
Happens. Yes, Siddharth Dania, where are you, beta? Wear the scarf and turn on the camera so I can ask you the question, beta. Okay, no problem. She is not ready, I think. Then the next question I will ask, I want to ask to Wakil Sirat Fatima.
Yes,
Wakil
sir.
Sirat Fatima, where are you? Yes.
Sir, my camera is not working.
Your camera is not working or you don't want to turn it on?
No, sir, my camera is not working.
Back camera, front camera, at least either of these might be working because your friends have to follow the same rule, and this happens only one time in the girls' lecture.
But sir, I am doing from laptop.
No problem. I will wait for you. Till then, let me take others' turn. Turn off the mic. Next name, Aisha Sarmali.
yes, sir.
Okay, Aisha, your question is why did narrator gave the hat to the father?
The narrator gave it to father. So because it can't flew. Hat can be flew, so that's why narrator gave her father.
Okay, beta. Thank you. Turn off the camera and mic. Next, Rifat Malkani. Rifat Malkani. Okay, let it be. Sadaf Malkani. Sadaf Malkani.
Yes, sir. Rifat
Rifat is here. Okay. Yes, Rifat. Your question is, when narrator went to California screaming, she was with her mother, father, and brother. So when she was with these three people, how many times she sit in the California screaming?
Sir, 2 times.
Sir, 2 times. Sir did not go 1 time.
2 times.
2 times you should eat. Yes, I eat 7 times. Okay, jokes apart. Yes, she sat 2 times. Once with her mother, and again they got the fast passes to sit. And then she was very excited. In fact, she herself insisted that she wanted to go. Right?
Hmm.
Okay, thank you for answering. Mute the mic and turn off the camera. Next question I would like to ask to Roshan Kaswani. Roshan Kaswani. Okay, next name I would like to select from the group is Taiba Ganiani. Taiba Ganiani. I'm writing absent for all these students with the pen. Next name Sayyada Nayani.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, Sayyada. Your question is, in the summer vacation, narrator went to California screaming to the Disneyland again. With whom?
With her grandmother and grandfather and her cousins.
Wow, excellent. Okay, the last question to you. Um, yes, when narrator forced her cousin to sit in the California screaming, they sat in which number car? First, second, third, fourth?
First number.
Yes, first number in the very front car. Very good. Thank you for answering. Turn off the mic and camera. Next question I would like to ask to Tamanna Parmar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Your camera is not on. I cannot see you. How can I ask the question? Yes. So, Tamanna, your question is, what is the moral of the story? What can you learn from whatever narrator taught you? What exactly narrator is trying to teach you? You understood full story first of all. Did you understand full story? तमन्ना पूरी स्टोरी समझ में आ गई बेटा?
No, sir.
हाँ, मेन पॉइंट ये है.
No, sir.
तो तमन्ना एक चीज आपको समझा देता हूँ. अगर आपका कैमरा अभी ऑन है, मैं देख रहा हूँ, इसीलिए. See, do you understand my language?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you don't understand story beta, then in the exam you have to learn full answer, word to word you have to learn. पूरा रट्टा मारना पड़ेगा. स्टोरी समझ में नहीं आई है पर अगर स्टोरी समझ में आ गई, फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्टोरी ये है, तमन्ना मार्केट में गई, तमन्ना ने सब्जियां ली, सब्जियां लेके अपना बिल दिया, रुपए दिए, पॉलीथीन में सब्जियां ली, स्कूटर में बैठ के घर पे आ गई, ये स्टोरी है. नाउ आई विल आस्क यू, वेयर डिड तमन्ना गो? तमन्ना कहाँ पे गई थी?
डिज्नीलैंड.
अभी सब्जियां ली, सब्जियां लेके स्कूटर में बैठी, वापस घर पे आ गई, तमन्ना कहाँ पे गई थी?
सब्जी लेने.
हाँ, अगर आपको स्टोरी समझ में आती है तो आप आंसर बना पाओगे. बट नाउ यू डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड स्टोरी, so your punishment is you have to watch the video lecture from the YouTube 2 times. Full story you have to understand
Okay,
from
sir.
the YouTube lecture. Okay. Okay, turn off the mic and camera. Next question I would like to ask. Let me see the time first. Okay, we still have the time. Tahira Malik.
Yes, sir.
Where is Tahira? Yes, here she is. Okay. Tahira, your question is, what is the moral of the story?
Sir.
Sir is the moral.
No, sir. It helps to grow.
What?
It helps to grow in understanding and make you braver.
But what
Every-
makes you braver? Stepping out of your comfort zone makes you brave and teaches you a lot of things which you have not learned. Okay, that is the moral. Second thing, if you are given chance to sit in the California screaming in the Disneyland, with whom will you sit?
My mother, my father, and my sister.
All four in the one car?
No, sir.
आगे पीछे, front and back. Okay. So with whom will you sit in your car?
My father.
Your father. Good enough. Okay, thank you for answering. Turn off the mic and camera. So that is the end of today's interesting question answers round. We will have few more interesting lectures in the different ways. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Take care.
Excuse me,
Goodbye,
sir.
sir.
Have a wonderful day.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day. Bye, sir. Have a nice day. Have a wonderful
હવે
day.
જાને બાય ડે વાળી.